There was a time I smiled outside but cried secretly at night. Every year, people kept asking, when will you have your own baby? Some people mock me, some people pity me, and some people completely forget my pain. But for 8 long years, I kept praying, I kept believing, even when it looked impossible. I did not know God was preparing a testimony that would shock everyone.